Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Osmo Pocket case. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of any video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a Osmo Pocket, and this is a charging case. I'm so excited on this one here because we're going to go for vacation, and I'm gonna use this for my Osmo Pocket. So, but again, it's really good and it's very small, as what you can see on the Osmo Pocket, and I'm gonna use this one here. So let's get started, okay? So first thing first, I'm going to careful on the knife because it is so sharp. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So again, there you go. I'm gonna open the box, and I'm so excited here to open it. And there you go. It's very small. Look at that. So again, it comes with the what's in a box. It comes with the manual, silicone, and this box here. So, but again, it's gonna be nice, and I like this one. So, but anyway, again, guys, this is it. It's very small, and gonna start open it. I'm gonna rip this. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's really small, guys. Look at it. Nice. So hope it will open, and again, it comes with the USB-C, and I think this is the how you're going to open it. There you go. It opens, and it seems like there is a power on this one here. So, but again, I'm going to grab this Osmo Pocket that I have right now, and I have to remove this, and it seems like we're going to put it this way. So and it clicks, and there is also a lock that way. Wow, this is a nice one. And then all you have to do is to do it that way, slide it, and then that's about it. So again, they have here a stopper. When you are going to put it in the table, it will stop really, not like this one here that it's gonna be straightly it's gonna be slippery, but this one here, it holds really, and it's really good. So again, it's really small, guys. It's really small unit of Osmo Pocket, and the color is really good. I like the color. It's like black, and it comes with the Osmo, and I think they don't have any charge on this one at the moment. And if you're gonna have to turn it on, there's a indicator of a green color here. It means that it's charging, and it seems like they're gonna charge this one like an hour and a half, or double the charging of your Osmo Pocket. But it's really good, really nice one, and the colors really it's like metallic gray. Is it metallic gray or dark gray, whatever you call it? So, but it's nice. You just press this one, and it's automatic open. There you go. And so again, and this one here, you can put two SD cards here on the side. And also, I'm so excited on this one here to put my Osmo Pocket. And again, it's really small one, so you can hold it, or if you don't want to, you can still use this case. It's gonna be almost gonna be the same, but one thing on this one here, it's when you go for travel, is just only this case that you need, and all you have to do is to charge this one. It's a USB-C, and then yeah, it's really good impression for me. I really like it, but I hope, when you put your Osmo Pocket here, it's gonna be easy for you to slide in and slide out, because that's the that's the other issue that we can encounter this. But yeah, I tried it to put it in, and it's give me hard time to pull it out. So I don't know, we'll see here for the next time that I'm going to put it in. So it gives me hard time, but again, it's a really nice product that the created this one here. And yeah, and again, I like this one. So again, I'm so excited on my travel very soon, and I'm gonna use this one instead of using my GoPro or my SLR. So yeah, my impression in this one here is really good. If you like an Osmo Pocket, if you want one of Osmo Pocket, I think it's better to have like this, and you can automatic charge on your Osmo Pocket while while waiting for the next video to turn it on. But so far so good, guys. So again, the price range on this is about 75 bucks, and it's yeah, it's what you pay is what you get, right? So bang. So that was nice. I like it. So, but anyway, guys, again, if you want to look other on my channel, you can watch my other videos on unboxings, and I have lots of videos there. I hope you can go and visit my other video. And if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.